Right, we are doing a Zagg screen protector. Because we just bought the new iPhone.
Redo your skills.
Only he can do. For 2 minutes time.
So what does that do?
So it
Oh,
will
sorry, it's all the...
So it's basically going to cut the protection sheet as per your phone model,
Ah,
so
right,
that it
okay.
exactly fits into that.
Okay, okay, cool. Right, okay. So now the protector has been cut to size. Have to pin it now. Pin it now. And applying it. This is our master Zagg screen protector. Is it not technician? It's the master installer. That's it. That's the word I was looking for. Installer. Get rid of all the bubbles. So
It's got a few layers, isn't it?
does it have a few layers?
Yep.
Well, this plastic got a few layers, it seems.
Okay.
phone.
So that's shatterproof. That is that right? It's shatterproof. It
Yeah,
won't
yeah,
crack.
yeah. It protects your screen
16.
from any scratches or.
In the size,
I thought I saw some bubbles in there. It's the one in the plastic that's the
Yeah,
bubbles,
it's
is
just
it?
a extra layer protection that we remove.
Oh, I see. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is lifetime guarantee. If anything happens to the protector, what about if anything happens to the screen?
Screen, you have warranty from Apple, but for any damages to the screen, any damages are not covered unless you go for the insurance.
Oh, I thought that's supposed to protect it. What you just put.
It protects, but there's no, like, as in, there's no guarantee for the
It's
damage
for
to the screen.
scratches, isn't it?
This is just for the scratches.
Scratches, and it protects screen as well. But you, obviously, if you're going to like drop it from a certain height,
Yeah.
yeah, it can damage, because there's no such thing which can like protect screen from a big like
It's
bump
a
or
water
accident.
protector as well.
Yeah, these phones are already water protected, so it's basically it protects you from light bumps, like if you like hit your phone slightly, or maybe like if you drop from a short
Okay.
height. But if you drop it like from a certain height, or
Okay.
if you get into a major incident,
Right.
then it won't be able to.
So if you go swimming and you got that, is it protected in the water?
Yeah, it will be fine in water.
It will be fine if I'm
Yeah.
swimming?
Okay.
Yeah, but depends
That's finished.
for how long you will take it in the water.
If I'm in just the swimming pool?
If you drop
Yeah,
it
but
in the pool. If you drop it in the pool, will it?
The screen won't damage, but the thing is, this doesn't ensure like that's anything that's related to phone, because the thing that you're talking about, whether it's waterproof or not,
Yeah.
that has to do with the phone, not
Oh,
with
with
the
the
screen.
phone, not with the screen. Okay,
So
okay.
phone has certain sort of resistance in water.
Right.
Yeah, if you go in its manual, or if you check it online, it will show you like it will protect your phone from damages to a certain limit. Obviously, if you go above that limit, then it won't be able to protect.
Okay. So how much is this again?
No, it's already included
I
in
know.
our
Right. How much is it if you do it?
It will be already on your receipt.
It's on my receipt.
Yeah.
Okay. No, if I want my phone,
Yeah,
How
so
much is it?
yeah, it's £30.
30 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay. All right then. Thank you.